She did not look American. She looked like a European. Dress was not particularly important to her. Everything was intellectual, and what you said and what you thought was what mattered. I expected a little more warmth than I got because she had been a teacher. And she was able to teach, and I did enjoy my times with her very much. But it was not a warm child-adult relationship. Now, when I grew older, it was different because we used to have these conversations. Kadia's whole thoughts were on Yiddishkayt. The customs, the readings, the life of people together was most important to her. It was the whole world to her. It was the culture, it was the people, it was the Jewish writings, it was even the Hebrew writings. They were all part of her world. And I don't think she saw anything else. It was all the Yiddishkayt to her. And she fought for feminism, and I don't think she limited it to Judaism. She was a rebel in that direction at a very early age. But basically her whole world was Yiddish. And I think when she went to Israel, and she went to Israel to live in, I think it was 59.
Maybe a little earlier. I think it was around
49, probably.
Yeah.
And she loved the people, she loved the land. She was a Zionist at heart. But she was very disappointed that Yiddishkayt was not part of the world. It was a modern country, and she didn't expect that. She expected the height of Yiddishkayt, and she did not get it. And I think that's why she came back.